ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Seal with another Tinkercad tutorial. So we've talked about the basic features, copy, paste, duplicate, how to group, ungroup, align, and how to look through and find some tools in this basic shape menu. What I'm going to show you is some more advanced steps that allow you to find some more detailed pre-created objects. So if you look through here, you can see a lot of different shapes that have already been created that allow you to save some time and energy instead of creating yourself. So I encourage you to look through here. There's a wide range of different things that are nearly impossible to do on Tinkercad by yourself. So I really encourage you to look through here, and again, that's going to save you some time. Now there's also some more complex things that you can find by going back to the main menu and going to Gallery. And under Gallery, you can see all these different things that other people have created. Now instead of just sifting through here, you can type some things in. Let's say my project would really look good if we could find some trees to go with them. So when you search for trees, it's going to show up all the different people who have created trees in the past. Let's say that you really like this tree right here. Okay? So click on that, and then you're going to click Duplicate and Tinker or Copy and Tinker, depending on your setting and your option. And then it's going to allow you to see this person's work in your workspace. Now, how do you take this and use it? You can select everything you want or just one of them, and you're going to click Copy. Once you have that copied, then you go back to the home menu, and you're going to go to your design, whatever project you're working on. Let's say I'm working on this project. And then you can paste your trees in here by hitting Edit, Paste. Actually, let me go back because that's not a good example of one to do. Let's just put it in here. Tinker this. And then I can hit Paste, and then my tree pops in here. And then you can arrange your project with a bunch of these trees. You can make some big, some small. I mean, you can do a whole bunch of things, and just think how long it would have taken you to design that. So again, there's a difference between appropriation and copying or stealing. Copying is when you just take someone else's work and call it yourselves or your own. But if you take someone else's work and change it or add it to your own and really manipulate it in some way heavily, it's called appropriation. And appropriation is always okay in art.